I've been wanting Crypto.com's Ruby Steel debit card for some time now, and today's the day that I'm going to sign up. There are a few things that may be a little bit confusing signing up for one of their debit cards, so I wanted to walk you through step by step how to do it as I get my new card. If you're not familiar with Crypto.com's debit cards, why don't I give you a quick overview? So here is Crypto.com's website. There's Matt Damon. If you want to learn about their debit cards, go to Metal Visa cards right here. The only card you need. So if we scroll down further, you're going to see that they have 5 different cards with quite different benefits. Starting out with the Midnight Blue card, you get 1% cash back all the way up to the Obsidian card where you get 8% cash back, as well as all the other benefits below. The card we're getting today is the Ruby Steel card where you get 2% cash back on all spending, plus 100% reimbursed for Spotify. This card is a little bit different than normal cashback credit cards. You're not getting dollars back for your spending. You're getting the dollar value in CRO, Crypto.com's cryptocurrency. The other thing is instead of having an annual fee, something you pay each year that you never see again, you essentially need to invest in CRO and leave it on the platform for have it locked up on the platform for 180 days to have the different benefits for these cards. One thing I want to mention before we go further on in this video, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not saying you should purchase CRO or any other cryptocurrency. You want to make sure to do your own research before making any investments. But to get these cards, you'll see here the CRO stake needed, $400 for the Ruby Steel card, $4,000 for the Royal Indigo or Jade Green, 40,000 for the Frosted White Gold or Icy White, and 400 grand for the Obsidian card. You can see the CRO rewards or cashback goes up quite significantly, as well as some of the things that are 100% reimbursed, as well as say Expedia or Airbnb that you get 10% cashback for. One of the great things with the Ruby Steel card and why I think it makes sense to make this $400 investment, one, I'm hoping that the price of CRO goes up over time. Also, 2% cash back is good. I have a whole video about 2% cash back credit cards. Also, this 100% cash back or reimbursement for Spotify. So I currently spend $9.99 per month on Spotify. I'm essentially getting $9.99 in CRO coins by switching the payment over to the Ruby Steel card. I think that having $120 in a year, 10 payments of $9.99, it's a pretty decent return on this $400 investment. Obviously, if you bump up to some of the other cards, you're getting Netflix free, Amazon Prime free, 10% at Expedia or Airbnb. If we scroll down further, you can get lounge access with the left 2 cards. The other thing is if you're staking $40,000 of CRO, you also earn bonus rewards on other cryptocurrency. I have a video walking through how to earn rewards on your crypto with the Crypto.com app. I'll link to that video up above right here. But this is a great way if you're investing in cryptocurrency to get additional return. So you're hoping the price of the crypto you invest in goes up, but you're actually getting more crypto because you're earning the rewards on an app like Crypto.com. If sometime after the 180 days you decide you don't want to have the money staked in CRO anymore, you can remove that from your account and still keep your card, but you do lose some of the benefits. What you can do here on this page, if you click off this switch, you're going to see how the CRO rewards drop down quite a bit. A lot of the card benefits disappear. You can continue using your card as normal, but just know you're not going to be getting the same cash back rate and you're not going to be getting 100% reimbursed for any of the categories we saw just a second ago. If you currently don't have a Crypto.com account, you can get $25 in free CRO if you sign up for your account, use my referral code, and then sign up for a Ruby Steel card or a BUB. The one thing's a little confusing. Right when you sign up, you have this $25 of credit in CRO in your account, but you can't do anything with it. It's there. It goes up and down in value as the price of CRO changes, but you can't sell it or exchange it. What we're going to have to do when we get in the app, we're going to have to subtract out the CRO that I was given as a bonus for signing up because it's not something that I can stake and have it count for the $400 for this debit card. But with all that said, why don't we open up the app on my phone, stake our CRO, and sign up for the Ruby Steel card. So when you sign into the app, it's going to look something like this. So let's just go into accounts and you see your crypto wallet and you see Crypto.com's CRO right here is $395. Where I was saying before that gets a little bit confusing is if we click in here, what we're going to see is if you scroll down to the bottom, you see all the history of purchases and you see sign up bonus locked, 98.157 CRO. So essentially I signed up a couple of months ago when CRO was around 24, 25 cents. And so that's where these CRO coins came from. The price has since gone up from there. So this is, I think this is close to $50 of CRO that I can unlock as soon as I get this card. But so to have an idea how much money you actually have in CRO to know how much more we need to buy right now, if I go to sell right now, what you can see is it says 764 and you see right here, it says max 764. So 764 are how many coins that I have that are actually available. The others are the ones that I'll get once I unlock the CRO bonus for signing up. So essentially I have 398. So I need to replace the 98 that are part of the rewards, and I probably need another 30, 40 or something like that. So if I just come in here and go to fiat wallet purchase, let's just to be safe, purchase 150 and then buy CRO, confirm password. So now what we can, if we just refresh this, okay, so 462. And so if I go to sell, you'll see now, so I have 914 CRO that are mine right now. Okay, so if we close out of that, and then so down in the bottom right-hand corner, you see card. And now it's time to choose which card that we want. I don't have the $4,000 for this card. Let's get the Ruby Steel. So Ruby Steel privileges with CRO stake, 100% back for Spotify, 2% cash back on any spending. See, no monthly fee, no annual fee, no delivery fee, $400 per month withdrawal from ATMs. And there we go. So select Ruby Steel. Okay, 2 more steps to finish. So purchase CRO and hold for 180 days, accept card terms and conditions. Continue. Okay, purchase and hold, holding period. Okay, stake 874 CRO for 180 days. Okay, so it says CRO crypto wallet, confirm. Okay, 875 CRO will be held for 180 days. Okay, Crypto.com Visa card terms and conditions. I recommend going through this in more detail. I've checked these out previously though. Accept everything. All right, Crypto.com Visa cards and card terms and conditions, check. Your card application is complete. All right, so as you're applying for Ruby Steel, view details. This is something we already saw, so that doesn't really tell us more. Please complete the items below to finish your card application. CRO purchase complete. Card terms and conditions accepted. Address and social security number matched. And then you see the virtual card issue status pending. So as soon as this is accepted, I should have access to the virtual card number so I could use it. And what I want to do as quickly as possible is set it up for payment for my Spotify before the next payment so that I can get reimbursed using this card. Optional USD fiat wallet complete. So I imagine it takes not too long for the entire application process to go through. If we just go back to the account really quick, you can see a summary of the CRO right now. So if we scroll down a little bit further, what we're going to see, so sign up bonus unlocked. So the 98 CRO coins that I got when I signed up using a referral code. If you want to use my referral code, again, I'll put it down below in the description. You see down below CRO stake of 875. And now it's just a matter of waiting until I'm accepted for the card. So when I was applying for the debit card, it was Saturday evening. So I think there's something not automatic in terms of being accepted for the debit card. Today's Monday, and early this morning, you can see that I got these 2 emails from Crypto.com. So the first one says your virtual Crypto.com Visa card is activated. So here's how you can top up your account, your purchase rebates, lounge access. I'm not getting that level of card. Requesting a physical card, something that I want to do when I open up the app. And then it looks like they're changing the updated Ruby Steel Crypto.com prepaid Visa cardholder agreement. So got another email from that. So now let's open up the app and see what it says. All right, let's check out the card. And so you can see right now, Crypto.com Visa card available for card. There's nothing right now. So what I want to do to actually be able to use the card is top it up. So it's going to give me a few options. Do I want to sell one of my cryptocurrencies? Do I want to use a credit or debit card? I wouldn't recommend doing. Or do I want to transfer something from my fiat wallet? So it looks like I don't have a whole lot in the fiat wallet right now, but let's transfer $9 to top it up right now, which is almost enough to pay for the first month for my Spotify. All right, so now I have $9 available to spend on this card. All right, so what else do we got here? So if I wanted to, here is the information for my card. It shows the last 4 digits. Those are going to be blurred out right now. And so if I do want to view the card number, okay, so I have my card number, the expiration date, the CVV number. Now I can go to Spotify, enter this. I want to make sure I have at least $9.99 in the account so I can pay for next month of Spotify. And then I should get $9.99 added in CRO to my account as soon as that purchase goes through. Another thing, if we click on the card again, and then you see right here, get the physicalcrypto.com card. So I can click on get now. We will ship the card to the address below, confirm. We will ship the card to you shortly. All right, so I have the virtual number so I can at least pay for anything online, especially my Spotify that's 100% reimbursed, and the card should be on the way. As soon as I have the Ruby Steel card in the mail, I'll be creating another update video on this debit card. If you want to learn more about how you can earn rewards with your cryptocurrency with crypto.com, check out the video right here. If you want to see a playlist of all of our cryptocurrency videos, check out the video below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye-bye.